Welcome and thank you so much for joining me today. So we are going to be using our skills of fractions to simplify these surds. So if thinking about when we're adding and taking away fractions, we need to make sure our denominators are the same. Because just remember, our denominators is talking about the size of our piece. So to start off, I'd like you to think about how do we get our denominators the same. We need to think about the lowest common multiple. The lowest common multiple for 2 and 3 would be 6. Because if I skip count, 2, 4, 6, and 3, 6. That means to make them have the same denominator, I need to times this side by 3. And I need to times my other side by 2. Timesing top and bottom, because it's to make it an equivalent, the same size fraction. So that just gives me 3 square root of 3 over 6 plus 2 square root of 3 over 6. Just remember, when we have got a denominator like that, we only need 1. 3 square root of 3 plus 2 square root of 3. Just remember when we did adding and subtracting, is that we need to have like terms. And here we have a like term of square root 3. So I can say we've got 3 lots of square root 3s and I'm adding 2 more lots of square root 3s. That gives me 5 lots of square root 3s over 6. Let's do the same thing over here. First thing I'm going to be thinking about is my 4 and my 3, the lowest common multiple. So I'll skip count. 4, 8, 12, 3, 6, 9, 12. So the lowest common multiple is 12. So to get the 4 to 12, I need to times it by 3. What I do to the bottom, I must do to the top. And likewise on the other side. 3 times 4 equals 12, so I times the top by 4 as well. And that gives me 3 times 3 equals 9, so 9 square root 5 over 12. And I'm taking away 4 square root 20 over 12. Now, before we get started, I want you to think about the square root 20. I want us to have a like term. So like term will be the square root of 5. So to do that, I'm going to rewrite this. And I'm going to put 4 times the square root of 5. 5 times what equals 20? 4. So square root of 5 times the square root of 4 is the same as square root of 20. Square root of 4 is 2. Because 2 times 2 equals 4, so I can rewrite that as 9 times square root of 5 over 12 minus 4 times square root of 5 times 2 over 12. I'm going to change pens so you can see what I'm doing down the bottom. Now that I've done that, I can simplify that and go, I've got 9 square roots of 5. And I'm taking away 2 times 4 equals 8. 8 square roots of 5 over 12. So if I've got 9 lots of square root of 5 and I'm taking 8 lots away, I've got 1 left. So that will turn into the square root of 5 over 12. Really hope that helps you understand how to simplify surds that involve fractions. If you need any more help, please message me and I'll get back to you.